Good morning, YouTube friends and family. Welcome back to Britton Farms Homestead. If you're new here, we do gardening, canning, DIY projects. Go ahead and hit the like, the subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you get a notification every time we put out a video. Today, we are gonna I'm gonna edit the video, put it up. I went to my friend's house a couple days ago and we made some sea salt hand scrub. And I was really impressed with this. You can make it whatever smell you want with your essential oils. And for gardening hands, when your hands get dried out from gardening, and from the cold, when your hands start to crack, they moisturize them, make them soft, and they really help with those dried, cracked hands from gardening. And you know, some of us are starting some seeds and spring's just around the corner, so we're gonna need something for our hands, and this stuff is great. So I'll go ahead and start the video. Thanks for watching. God bless you all.